is up, back with another video here. Sorry about that. We got cicada. Cicada! Caught him in midair. Look at the weird noises they make. Ah! Whoa! There he goes.
We've been trying to knock all of them down, but they keep flying around.
Yeah.
The place that we've been taking cover.
Please just help us go famous. See, look. Make this Jeffrey. Yo! We're stuck actually right here. We got us stuck right here. As you can see, the cicadas are flying all around. We have to try to knock them off the tree to get them. And let me show you around our base. Let me show you around the base. This is where the video ends. Got that so far. I'm just going to show you. We're not living in that. But yeah. We're living around here. But that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you like it. Bye.